How to fix a Snapchat sound not working. If you are facing issues with the Snapchat sounds, then make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to fix the Snapchat sound not working issue. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Firstly, you need to go ahead and open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for Snapchat. Once you search for it and if you see any update button, that means your app is not updated and you need to update your app. Not updating your app and the old versions might be the reason of Snapchat sound issues. So you must tap on the update button and update your Snapchat app in order to remove the glitches and bugs of Snapchat. It will take few moments to update your app, so you need to wait for a while. Once your app is up to date, the second step you need to do is you need to tap and hold the Snapchat app and select the I button to get access to the app info page of Snapchat. Once you're on this app info page of Snapchat, select Manage Notification and make sure that notification has been allowed on Snapchat. If it is toggled off in this way, you need to simply tap on the button and toggle it on. Come back to the same page of app info and select storage users and clear all the caches of Snapchat. Once you have done with this, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not. If it is not yet fixed, you need to tap and hold the Snapchat app again and tap on this trash button and uninstall the app. Once you have uninstalled, you need to again reinstall from the Play Store. Doing all the steps, if your issue has not been fixed yet, then you need to restart your device. Might be on your device itself there might be issue which might be causing Snapchat sound issues. So you need to hold the power button on your device and you need to swipe towards upwards to restart your device. Once you have done all this steps, your issue of Snapchat sound not working will be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.